Hi friends, welcome back to my physics channel once again. In this short video, we'll be discussing about a nice neat problem from 2026. On the board you can see a prism is given. In this the prism is very small prism. A ray incidents at an angle of incidence I, okay, on the surface of a small prism with an angle A. So angle A ichchadandi the prism di, and it emerges normally from the opposite side. Opposite nunchi angle chudandi. Light is coming out perpendicularly, not with some refraction. It is coming perpendicularly. So if the Ri of the prism is mu, the angle of incident is nearly equal to dash. Is it 2a by mu? Is it mu a by 2 or none? So ilanti problem మనం ఏం చేయాలి, already what ఇచ్చేసాడు, prism is very small. So we already know the equation R1 plus R2 is equal to a from the derivation. And because the emergence is perpendicular, see emergence is what? Perpendicular. Therefore what is R2? 0. Refraction 2 in the surface is 0. So put it here on this. R1 plus 0 is equal to A. Therefore R1 is equal to A, equation 2. Now apply Snell's law at this point for surface. Snell's law apply చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడండి. Applying Snell's law at this point, sin angle incidence into refractive index, that is refractive index of air, is equal to sin refraction, that is sin R1, into refractive index of this medium, that is mu. Therefore sin I into mu A, that is 1, refractive index of air is equal to 1, is equal to sin R1. What is R1? A from the concept. Sin A into mu. But this fellow is saying the prism is very small, so the angles is also small. Therefore sin theta can be almost equal to theta. So sin I can be equated to I. The same way sin A can be equated to A, because the prism is very small. So apply here. Therefore I is equal to sin A badalu A into mu. Therefore I is equal to mu into A. So what is the incident angle? You can see A 2A by mu, B. B is the right answer. Ja చూడండి, mu into A. అదవుతుందా? సో ఇలాంటి లెక్కలు మీరు చాలా ఈజీగా చేసుకోవచ్చు నీట్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో, and you can score lot of marks in the present problems if you know the concept. Okay, again we will meet in the another nice video.